We're at the 62nd, sorry, Dragons Rod and Custom Car Show here in Saskatoon. And, well, if you're looking in the hall, there's amazing cars here. There's beautiful stuff all over the place. Obviously, my jacket and my shirt says Mopar. I got to be drawn to the Mopar. So this is the first 71 Barracuda I've ever had on the channel. 71, that is. So this one here started out life as a Barracuda, but a 383 car. We'll go around after and I'll see the board. It's very low numbers. Super rare color in Y3, so curious yellow. Again, just an amazing car, 4-speed. Right now, sporting a 5-speed Tremec. But let's have a look under the hood and let's see what we got here. So let's look down here. So BH is our Barracuda, 23 is our hardtop, N is our 383, 1 is 71, then B is where it is manufactured, and then our sequence number. So we got a fairly optioned here car. We have, again, GY3, which is the color that it is. It is a white vinyl roof car from a factory, which, again, you can do what you want when it's yours. Totally fine. White interior with buckets. Console, C16, AM radio. Dual exhaust with non-chrome tips. And then we have also built early part of 71. So we got 3D3 Super Commando, which is what it should be. This is a factory air conditioning car, which, again, not common at all in any muscle car stuff. You got a car that can do whatever it wants power-wise, but yet gives you the comfort inside as air conditioning. So these cars are super rare. We have 15, it looks like 15 by 7s and 15 by 8 Magnum 500s. Again, maybe not factory, but this is still cool. Now, 71, we're looking at a couple different things here. First off, we're going to look at the fish gills. So 71 only, we have gills in the front fenders. So if it was a BS VIN number, not what I usually spew is BS, but BS being Barracuda Special, we would have these have been added. But again, this car looks amazing. We'll walk around to the grill. The grill is also another key point of 71, which this is my favorite year of Cuda if I had to pick, 71. So now this one has white interior, which again I think looks so good against the yellow. With the black vinyl, I think the color is just, I mean, it's ridiculously awesome. Now I'll get you on this side. We have black billboards. I'm going to open the door very carefully. Okay, now we see the pistol grip 4-speed. We have N85 tack. Okay, super cool. Upgraded radio. Again, no big deal, but this thing, top steering wheel. Awesome car. Just awesome. Yeah, no, this is... And then we got the billboard. So if we're looking at this stripe combination, this is called billboards. Again, 1 year only, very rare in that regard because lots of 71s get them added, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's the coolest, I think, again, one of the coolest and probably one of the hardest stripes to put on. If you're watching Graveyard Cars, you watch them put on every once in a while. They have tutorials on those putting them on, but it's such a cool call out. Nobody else in the Mopar world does or did what Chrysler did. Like, this is telling you, this stripe along with this color says I'm fast, I'm mean, and I'm going to kick your butt is what this means to me when I look at this car. So yeah, the owners of this car, super lucky. I guess it came out of Bonnyville, Alberta. And the back end here too, once we get into 72 and 73 and 74, we have round lights in the tail panel. So again, this is for this year only. Yeah, so it's got the N42 added, so it's got the chrome tips out of the roll pan, which again, this car just speaks volumes to what Chrysler was doing back then. So anyway, let's make our way to the front. We got to look at this grill. Let's go. Watch your... Let me slide over. Okay, so we got power brakes, power steering, dual belts. If you're wondering, again, that's air conditioning up top there. Again, factory can be. Let's get a shot front of the grill. 71 in the Grace Argent Silver. Like, that's 71 to a T. Just a super awesome car. Yeah, we got to go around the rope around us. Okay, let's have a look at the board. So, like it says here, curious yellow, white buckets. One of 78 made 383 4-speeds. So, again, big deal here. Big deal car. So yeah, Steve and Teena, I hope you enjoy this car. I guess it just got out of the paint shop not that long ago. They were having to do some work to it, but anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and again, thanks to everybody who lets me do these videos with their vehicles so graciously. I appreciate them so much because without these people allowing me to do these videos, the channel doesn't exist and I can't get this information out to you. So enjoy. I'll try and do some more videos here at the 62nd annual Dragons Car Show, but this one's number one in my books, 71 Cuda. All right.